Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Alpha Camp Oversized Camping Folding Chair. A heavy-duty marvel designed to support up to 450 pounds with its robust steel frame and hammer-tone powder coating that prevents corrosion and fading. This chair boasts a large seat area crafted from 600 by 300D padded Oxford fabric, ensuring supreme comfort whether you're lounging in your garden, at the beach, or on a camping trip. With its collapsible design, it folds down to a compact 9.05 by 38.58 inches, making it incredibly portable and easy to store, weighing only 13.2 pounds. The chair also features a durable mesh cup holder and a side storage pocket perfect for holding your cell phone, notebook, or maps, while the side cooler bag keeps your drinks refreshingly cold on hot summer days. The padded armrests and quad lumbar back design add an extra layer of comfort, making it ideal for outdoor adventures or even indoor relaxation. Setting up is a breeze, as this chair unfolds in seconds, ready to provide you with a comfortable seating experience anywhere you go. So, whether you're hiking, camping, or just enjoying the outdoors, the Alpha Camp Oversized Camping Folding Chair is your go-to choice for comfort and durability. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.